Alright, today I'm going to teach you how to set up a daylon leveler project for MX bikes and also set up your track and import it in MX bikes and everything like that. Alright, so you're going to start in either Photoshop or GIMP. In GIMP you're going to create like a track map type of thing. So create a new and then do like either 1025 or 2049, I think it is. So for like supercross and arena cross I do 1025 by 1025. For motocross I do 2049 by 2049. But yeah, so I'm just gonna make the background transparent, and I'm going to create a new layer. Then I'm going to start with the paintbrush, and I'm going to make the size anywhere from 45 to 60. This will be your track width. So I'm just going to do a simple arena cross track layout. And then what you want to do is create another layer. And then you're going to use the path tool, and you're just going to follow your layout as best as you can. Alright, so I have my track all mapped out with the path tool like this. So now you're going to hit stroke path. You're going to do a stroke line solid, and then make it the width of your track 45 to 60 pixels, anywhere from there. And then just keep this all the same, and then just hit stroke, and then you can delete the layer you made before. Alright, I'm going to move it more to the middle now, and then take the path tool again and figure out where you want your starting gate to be. I'll just put it right here. So we're just going to start here with the path tool, and then just kind of shape out a starting line. Something like this. Then just do selection from path, and then fill whole selection on the bucket tool here, and just do that. Sorry, I forgot to mention, before you start any of this, just create a new folder for your track. And now we can export it. I'm just gonna name it layout.png, like this. And then now we're gonna go into daylon leveler. Alright, so now in daylon leveler you're gonna want to make a new document. Make it the same size that you made your layout, and then now what you want to do is we're gonna set up this so go to start by going to navigate, and then ground extents, and then change pixel width to east edge. And then if you have a 1025 by 1025 map, then you're going to do 250 meters. If you have a 2049 by 2049, then you can do 500 meters. And then do the same here with south edge. And then now we can take the flatten pixels tool and then set our height range. So I'm going to do -5, just put it in the corner here, -5 meters by about 10 meters. So it'll give us a vertical scale of 15 meters. You just yeah, now you're gonna click on this texture up here, click PNG, then find your layout that we exported, and then just hit OK. You won't see it at first. You have to click show height field texture up here on both of them. Now you can see your layout here on here. So now you're pretty much all set up in Daylon Leveler. I'm just gonna save my project here, and then I'm just gonna build a jump just so we can see. So I'm just gonna select this and just create just a big jump like this. Something like that. Now we have a jump, and now we can export as a PNG. Just name it like terrain or something like that. And yeah, now we can open up the Resolute track builder, then create new, name it whatever you want, and then find your track folder that we made that has all your stuff in it for your track, and then change maps on here to textures, and then change the mods track folder. This is going to be where your track goes to when you build it. So it's going to be your mods, so like here, and then we're just going to add a regular texture, and you also need a material. So now you want to select your height map, which is our terrain here, and for the size X and size Z, to get it exactly how you see it here into game, go to navigate, elevation mapping, it'd be 15 here. Oh yeah, for the X and Z, that would be what this would be here, your ground extents. So this is 250 by 250, so 250 by 250, and now we can click build all, and we should see our track. So yeah, 1 minute. Alright, so here in Xbox we can see our track is here, and we'll start